Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and this is my Prius 2016 first oil change since I become its owner. And the fact that you are watching this video, it means that I didn't get electrocuted by the high voltage battery. Now I have to be careful, but again, I'm not messing with electricity or anything. It's just the oil. So what I'm doing right now is just go ahead and take the cap off. It's really hard. So okay, let me put the phone down. Someone purposely over tight this. So okay, so take that off, and then look at that. It's easy to know. That's the 0W20. And that's what it takes. And then we get the oil filter. Be easy. I put it on stands or the ramp. Now look at the other one. Don't do as I do, but I was having problem getting it straight, but it is fine. It's not going to fall on me. At least this side is correct. Now let's get underneath. We are underneath, and there's that small door, and I move it to the side, and so this is the opening. So I didn't have to take the entire underbelly off. So this is the small door, and then so that's the oil pan, and that's the drain plug to remove it, and then right here is the filter. So it's a paper filter, and that's the housing. Luckily I have a tool for this, but other than that it would have been really hard to get this thing out. Okay, so yeah, let's get to it. Okay, I'm almost done. It takes almost 5 quarts, 4.5. Okay, so yes. And now all I'm going to do is check. There's a dipstick. Yeah, luckily there's a dipstick, but there's no dipstick for the for anything else. The transmission, there's none. But yeah, I will check to see if it needs more. And let me go ahead and check the cabin air filter. Take the cabin air filter, the engine air filter. It's right here, right in front of it. So that's something you can do yourself. Okay, don't pay $65, $70 at a dealership to get this replaced. You can just buy one for about $10 to $15, and you change it yourself. It's very easy. We are inside on the passenger side, front seat. And that's where generally the cabin air filters are kept or housed. So just open this, and then you just have to figure out how your car is. But generally you press, you squeeze both sides, this side and this side together, and what it does is it will bring the door all the way down and give you access to the air filter. So let me go ahead and do that off camera. That's exactly what happened. I squeeze, and then those, you see when you push it here, and so this one is disconnected. So that's, yeah, so that's how it is. And now this is see here, this is it. You just have to open this little door, and then the air filter will be exposed. Cabin air filter, you remove it. That's basically it. It's very simple. This is this door here. Just remove it, and you can see someone's been there before, because this here, the tab is here, and this one is missing. So now this is it, and you just go ahead and pull it out. You see, there you go, there you go. So looks like it's not that bad. It's not that bad. it comes in a there's a bracket for it. Little, yeah, it's a case. So, but yeah, it is dirty. It's dirty. So let me go ahead and replace it. Yeah, it needed replacement. Look at that. You see, it was actually white like this one, and you see, look at the surface. You see the difference, and then look at the side. So yeah, and it was really dirty. So it did its job. So now all I have to do is just put this back. I put it back, and I'm going to put the door to keep it from falling off, and then conclude the job. Thank you for watching. So you see how to change the oil yourself, and also change the cabin air filter. Thank you, and support this channel. See you next.